Today was day 15 of the Chad Daybell trial in Ada County.
And for the first time, we heard from some of Chad's relatives. I break down some of the important moments from court today. Angela Yancey took the stand Thursday. She was previously in charge of payroll and benefits at the Sugar Salem School District where Tammy Daybell worked. She says Monday, October 21st, 2 days after Tammy died, Chad came into her office to ask about the life insurance claim. She said it's rare people come in that fast. And something else was weird.
And I explained to him that we had to wait until the death certificate was received. And he said, that's okay. I've ordered 8 of them.
Also on the stand for the first time was Sheila Daybell, Chad's mother. She described a dinner with Chad and Lori soon after they were married. She said Lori was persuasive, charming, and upbeat, seemingly the opposite of her new husband, according to the defense.
And your son Chad is would you describe him as someone who's shy?
Can be.
Soft-spoken?
Yes.
Would it be fair to say that your son Chad is a bit of an introvert?
Yes.
He's not a gregarious personality, is he?
No.
Your son Chad is not necessarily a man of the world, right?
Not worldly.
So he didn't have like a lot of experience in dealing with relationships or anything like that, correct?
No.
Heather Daybell, Chad's sister-in-law, also testified. She said Chad's so-called visions, end-of-times prophecies, and other differing religious beliefs made her uncomfortable. She said his kids and even Tammy seemed to believe it, but she wasn't sure all was well.
In summer of 2015, shortly after that, I was concerned for Tammy and wanted to know how she was doing. So we asked Chad and Tammy to come over and have a visit with us. And he indicated that that would be fine, but to direct our questions or whatever we wanted to say at Chad and not at Tammy because she would get upset.
Last on the witness stand Thursday was now retired Rexburg police officer David Stubbs. They played body cam footage of officers talking to Lori when they went to do a welfare check on JJ. Lori had several tall tales to tell and blamed Kay Woodcock, JJ's grandmother, for causing problems.
I've had to move around a lot. One of my brothers is trying to kill me. Not the brother that lives here, obviously. He's kind of my protector. My other brother was in with my husband who was trying to kill me for my $2 million life insurance policy. No. So a lot of stuff has gone on in this last year. It's been a horrible year for us. I've had to move around. Now, the person who called is my sister-in-law, but she's his natural grandmother. He's adopted. She's been trying to fight me for him and being really horrible to me and that kind of stuff. So she does nothing that wants to cause me trouble. So I don't tell people the truth about where we are and what we're doing because of those reasons. So I look like a suspect, but I am a good person. Raised all of my kids. I've done everything that I'm supposed to do in life, but everyone is causing me trouble right now.
Kay also took the stand briefly today and talked about Charles Vallow's death, his life insurance policy, and their loss of communication with JJ after Charles died. Witness testimony continues tomorrow.